We are 7mm Pawn Shop and Money Changer. Of course, kilala kami bilang pawn shop na may lowest interest, high appraisal at no advance interest. Alam niyo ba na may special offer 7mm na VIP card para sa mga magsasangla, magre-renew ng kanilang mga alahas? Maaari kang magawi ng appliances o kaya jewelry subasta gamit ang iyong VIP card points. Kaya tara na magsangla, mag-renew at magawi ng appliances. We are 7mm Pawn Shop and Money Changer. Of course, we offered other services. Dahil sa 7mm Pawn Shop, authorized yan ni Western Union, Super Padala, MoneyGram, RIA at Remitly. Hanap niyo ba'y mataas na foreign exchange rate? I-7mm Money Changer niyo na yan. Mahabang pila ba sa pagbayad ng electric, water, and internet bills? Hassle-free yan dito sa 7mm Pawn Shop. Dahil dito sa amin, pwede ka na magbayad ng bills payment, pwede ka na rin mag-load to all other networks at meron din kaming cash-in services like GCash cash-in, cash-out, at Paymaya at marami pang iba. At kung good investment naman ang hanap nyo, sagot ka ni 7mm Subasta Live Online. And you can watch us on our Facebook page by scanning this QR code.
Naghahanap ka ba ng sanglaan with high appraisal and lowest interest? Tara na dito sa 7mm Pawn Shop and Money Changer. Gagapay mo, kaibigan mo, dito na tayo!